So today's lesson is about system diagrams. A system diagram or a systems diagram is a unique way of drawing a system. The idea behind that is that a person from a different country, let's say from Japan, from Germany, will understand what you have meant when you have drawn a system. So for that there is a special language, but this language is very easy. There are only 3 things that you should consider: boxes, arrows, and names. A name could be, for example, respiration. So these are the 3 features to draw a system. A box represents the storage, the energy flow, and is stored into a box. The energy and matter flows and is stored into a box. The arrows represent the flow of energy or matter, and the respiration is a name, and this is the name of a process. So the processes are drawn, let's say, with its name. So what does this mean? We are interested in environmental system and societies. We are interested in living things, especially in open systems. We know now that open systems are systems that exchanges matter and energy. So let's have a cat. This is a cat. How do we go from here to here? How do I draw a cat into a system so everybody will understand me? We start with the box. And then we have to analyze what are the things or thing that the cat has that stores energy. In living organisms, the energy is usually stored in its mass, and that is called a biomass. A biomass is a mass that is living, so it's a mass that has life. When I see a biomass into a box, that gives me an idea that maybe I'm talking about a plant, or I'm talking about an animal, or I'm talking about something that is alive. So in this case, the biomass of the cat is its meat, could be its fur, could be its bones, could be anything that is that the cat has a stored energy. So we call this a biomass. But the biomass has energy coming in and coming out, because that is the definition of an open system. Energy and matter that is coming in and that is coming out. So what is the energy or matter that the cat is consuming to increase or decrease its biomass? It could be, for example, water, or could be food. The cat feeds itself, or the cat drinks water to increase or decrease the biomass. And what are the things that the cat is getting rid of? For example, it could be feces, or it could be heat. This is energy that goes to the environment, because the cat is warmer than the environment outside. What we're missing here is the process. So a process that the cat is doing could be respiration, could be also digestion, could be other processes, but in this case we're going to leave it like that. In the case that we have a leaf, a plant, a process could be photosynthesis. A process could also be respiration. So this is how you draw a system diagram. You have boxes representing the storage, arrows representing the flow, and the name of the processes. This is how you draw from, let's say, a figure, a cat, into a system diagram. If I show this to another student from another country, then he will have an idea that I'm talking about a living system. And this is how you draw the system diagram.